All right, folks, here we go. August 2nd. Got the mileage going. And we've got about a 10-hour drive from here, maybe 11, depending on how often I stop to make these videos. But yeah, we're stoked. Got the tunes ready, snacks in the car. Here we go. All right, 4 hours, 8 hours into my day. I had to be about an hour at the border. Now I'm at a rest stop. It's 4 o'clock now. I've still got another 6 hours to go, I think. So yeah, we're making it. I forget what I started at, but yeah, yeehaw.
Welcome to Iowa.
Every time we say goodbye, baby.
Oh, this is not even close. What are you doing? So here we are in Iowa. I'm on my way to go and see Apricity in Sturgis. It's very flat out here. There's not much to look and see and do other than take some hyperlapses on the highway from the dash cam. But I did find a sunset last night on my way just before I got to the hotel. I got an awesome shot of my little Mini Cooper over there. It's been awesome. It's so comfortable. And good on gas. Still recording? It is still recording. Referenced in the game Fallout 4. I'm wearing a shirt. I don't even know if you can see it, but the Minutemen were a type of like intercontinental ballistic missile. I'm going to be going right by there tomorrow. And there's some pretty interesting drives through there too, which I'm not sure I'm going to be able to do because I do have to be like on site in Sturgis to meet up with Apricity. We'll talk to you later and we'll see you over there. All right, we are at Kickstands. We've made it. We've arrived. Looks like a pretty cool venue from here. Just waiting for the band members to arrive and we can figure out what we're going to do and go from there.